hackathon is an innovation event that brings people together to solve problems and think differently.
Jefferson is really in the business of changing the landscape of what's possible.
They bring together really a diverse set of personalities.
Every year, the hackathon gets bigger, generating new ideas and taking them to places that they might not go otherwise. It drives a culture of innovation, so we get people to think differently.
There are no requirements. Absolutely everyone is welcome to come because you always can offer a unique perspective to a team, so you don't need any kind of technical background.
The people are there, they're excited, they're ready to come up with something that could change the world.
If you focus on a specific issue and you surround yourself with people that are all trying to solve a problem, really it can make the impossible pretty possible.